Another video meeting? We've all been there, and Zoom fatigue is real. Scientists have found it's not just in our heads. Video meetings ramp up our brain's stress levels and make our hearts race. Is it worth getting tired and having difficulty concentrating on things just for a convenient way to communicate? There are, of course, other answers. Collaboration tools like Teams or Slack make chat communication easier and more productive. And let's not forget the old-fashioned way, in-person meetings. Talk to your team about what they prefer. Maybe you could cap video meetings to bursts of 15 minutes, which is the digital equivalent of a meeting where everyone must stay standing up. Or swap a load of regular video meets for a real-life get-together once a week. If we can help you find the right tech tools for your team, get in touch. That's your Tech Update. More next week.